is a sight reading challenge video. I often tell my students that they don't sight read enough because I often get, I can't play this new song because I've never played it before when I ask them to sight read in lessons. And I understand the fear of sight reading, but you have to read new things if you're going to learn new things. So, I have taken the standard of excellence. I'm starting in a reasonable place that I think all people who have finished their first year of band should be able to read comfortably. This is number 17, is where we start in the standard of excellence. And it doesn't matter what instrument you're playing, it's all the same. I skip all of the for the specific instrument exercises. I read mostly songs, but also some exercises. I'm only reading odd numbers so that you can also go sight read the even numbers on your own. You should take your instrument out and you should try to read along. I do this all at a quarter note equals 60 with the metronome. There are some things you should know before going into this. You should know what a repeat is, and you should know what a first ending, second ending system is. If you don't know what those are, find them in this book, The Standard of Excellence, Volume 1, or go look them up now so that you understand what we're doing when we go forward, as I play all of the repeats and I play the first ending, second ending stuff. And I think that's all you need to know before beginning. So here I go with sight reading selections from The Standard of Excellence, and I hope you play along with me. If you are one of my students, it is an assignment this week, especially those of us who are not having lessons. Here we go. Number 17. Ready? Go. Number 21. Ready? Go. Number 23. Ready? Go. Number 27. 1, 2, ready, go. Number 33. Ready? Go. Number 37. Ready? Go. Number 39. Ready? Go. Turn the page. Number 49. 1, 2, ready, go. Turn the page. Number 51. Ready? Go. Number 53. Ready? Go. Number 61. Ready? Go. Turn the page. Number 63. Ready? Go. Number 65. Ready? Go. Number 71. Ready? Go. Okay, I hope you got your 10 minutes of sight reading done for today, and that you do 10 minutes every day that you play, preferably every day of the week, because 10 minutes of time every day starts to stack up, and then you get better at sight reading. So if you enjoyed that, please like this video. If you are not one of my students and you sight read with me, great, it's good for you. Go ahead and subscribe, and there will be more of these to come shortly. Have a nice day.